Hello and welcome to the second episode of Building Stuff Rocks. This is where we left off last time. I've just uploaded the intro video to the website. And you are maybe wondering why there is no HTML or head or body tag. Well, this is actually valid HTML5, as you can see here on this web page. So you can omit the HTML and body tag. And well, it is valid, but as you can see here, W3 Schools does not recommend omitting the HTML and body tags. So I thought it's okay for the intro video since it's valid, but I don't think we should do this on a real web page. Okay, so this is what the website looks at the moment. As I said, just the intro video, and now we are going to, I think, start off with some basic scaffolding. So we have something to actually show here. So I'm going to check out some options, maybe some Bootstrap themes or something, and I will be right back. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so I've gone through all the Bootstrap themes I could find, and to be honest, I didn't like any of them. So what I thought we could do is just use plain Bootstrap for now. And also you should notice that the audio quality should have changed, I hope for the better right now, because I surrounded myself with blankets. I'm basically now sitting in a big pillow fort. So I've done some balsamicing and I've done 3 pages, the homepage, a field page and a tutorial page. And the homepage is basically just a springboard to go to your field. So it says here, choose your field, and then you click on, we have just one at the moment, and you click on it, and then you see like a list of the newest tutorials for now. And your field should be like very big here on top. I don't know if I want to do it like this, but you should always know when you're in some specific field. And then you click on a tutorial and you get to the tutorial page with a heading and a text. So I thought I could do this with plain Bootstrap, and I'm basically gonna take these 3 pages, so the homepage, a field page and a tutorial page, and I just make 3 HTML pages and upload them to the GitHub pages branch. Okay, I'm now creating the index.html file. And let's get some HTML code. So this looks good. The title is Building Stuff. Let's change this to spaces. All right. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, now let's get Bootstrap in. So this is what we need. We just copy and paste it into our file, like in here. Okay, let's see what this integrity attribute is for. I've never seen that. An integrity value may contain multiple hashes separated by white space. A resource will be loaded if it matches one of those hashes. Okay. And I guess it won't be loaded if it doesn't match the hash. Okay, and cross-origin anonymous. The cross-origin attribute is a core settings attribute. It controls for scripts that are obtained from other origins, whether error information will be exposed. Okay, so let's see here. Bootstrap JavaScript requires jQuery. Okay, so let's get jQuery. Download. We are getting jQuery 2. So I guess we need it before the Bootstrap JavaScript. All right. Nope. Oh, okay. Now it's working. And let's check out what happens if we delete this. Not much. Okay, the integrity and cross-origin attributes should work in Chrome version 45. And I have version 49. So this should work. Okay, it works. I changed the integrity value for the CSS, and as you can see, there is now the standard font. And if I switch it back, then you can see the Bootstrap font. And if I also remove the cross origin, then you can see the standard font is loaded. I thought you would get some sort of error message that the file couldn't be loaded, but the file is actually loaded. It is just not rendered, I guess. I'm going to remove the comments and move the script text to the bottom. All right. Now let's start with the menu bar. So I'm just copying the navbar code. Let's remove this. All right. We are going to comment out all this. Okay, this looks nice and clean. Now let's put in our title. All right. And let's see here. Okay, we're gonna add this text and center it and then put some sort of button below it. How do you get back to the top? It takes so long. Wow. Oh, I found it. Back to top. Okay. Now let's get a button. What? Okay, we also need the text center class as in the h1 tag before. Okay, this doesn't look so great. I think the best way would be to design our own field button, but we are going to leave this now as it is and move on to the field page. Okay, before building the field page, I thought we would make a proper logo for the navigation bar because, well, to be honest, this doesn't look so good. Okay, the logo is done and let's get on with the field page. Okay, I've done the newest tutorial heading and the list. This was very easy, basically copying and pasting Bootstrap code. But yeah, now I'm struggling with this one. I'm not sure how to do it right now, but I hope something will come to my mind soon. Okay, I have found a solution. We will not overlap it with the navigation bar because this will cause all sorts of problems. Instead, I have put in a div inside the navigation bar and gave it a custom class and set it to a width of 100% and text align center. And as you can see, it stays in the center. But now we also have like this problem, as you can see here. But yeah, I won't worry too much about it because we will fix that if we are working on the overall style, because now it's just looking like plain Bootstrap. And yeah, so this works and I'm gonna add it to the tutorial page too and see you in a bit. We had another minor problem. I couldn't click on the link here because this is a div with 100%. So it's like laying above the logo link. And I had to add pointer events none, and now we can click it again. And as you can see, I have also added a tutorial page. You can see a heading and a text, and there is no way to go back. Okay, maybe we should make this a link. Okay, after some fiddling around, I had to switch the position of the field and the brand elements. So now the brand is above the field, and I have to set the position of the brand to relative. And I have removed the pointer events attribute. And now it works. So if I'm hovering over here, I click on the field HTML. And if I'm hovering over here, I click on the index HTML. And why this has to be position relative and not position static, I don't quite understand. Now you can see I'm clicking on the field HTML. I don't quite understand why it has to be relative. Maybe someone of you can explain that to me. But yeah, if I set it to relative, then everything works fine. So I can click on a field, then on the tutorial, then go back to the field and go back to the homepage. Okay, let's do a quick recap of what we did in today's episode. We have created a logo PNG file for our logo. And then we have an index HTML. We included Bootstrap and a custom style CSS and the navigation bar. And here at the bottom, we have our choose your field heading and our field button. Then we have a field HTML, which looks basically the same, but it has a newest tutorials heading and a list of tutorials. And then we have our tutorial HTML that has a tutorial heading and some lorem ipsum text. And then of course we have the style CSS, where we changed the position of the brand to relative and added a custom building stuff class, which is positioned in the middle and links to the field. Okay, I'm gonna commit these changes now. So we stage all these files and commit, start project with a index, field and tutorial file. Okay. So that's it for the second episode, and next episode we will be using some sort of JavaScript framework instead of using static HTML files. Okay, so see you next time.